And the race is on. Bears of Biscuit, followed by Life is Delicious. Alongside Min City, rushing up number 5, Queen Star. Running down on the inside is Mr. Victory. Spanish Lover is racing in 6 by the round, rushing up Giant Sloom. Number 6, Tamerat Cut. 9, Best of Biscuit Pali. Second last, Indian Mint, and In Command is running at the tail of the field. Life is Delicious. Mint City from the outside, Mr. Victory. Best of Biscuit, Danori inside, running impeded by Sam Tulais. Queen Star. Spanish Lover is racing by the rail to take 5th spot. Racing in 6 to number 10, and this one is Giant Sloom. Racing towards the last 450. Mr. Victory is now the leader. Man City, Life is Delicious. Is Spanish Lover racing by the round, and on the outside is Best of Biscuit, and nearing the finish line, Mr. Victory by some 4 line Spanish Lover, and finally number 2, Mr. Victory. Is Spanish Lover close, Best of Biscuit, Min City, and for your Fanta Fecta number 7, Life is Delicious.